What's going on, fam? So one of the stocks that we're going to be looking at is Fubo. I was also recommended another stock to go ahead and try to dive into from my Discord channel. But before I go ahead and do that, if you guys could all do me a huge favor, I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers on YouTube. If you could just hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to make as many videos for you guys as possible, trying to find some areas of opportunities where potentially we can buy the dip. Potentially we can get long on a breakout, see what's washing out, this, that, and the other. So let's go ahead and dive into Fubo's chart. What I do have here is the daily chart pulled up. So if I kind of stretch this out and make it a little bit bigger here, you can see our last daily candle here. We came up to this 50-day moving average at around $27 and we got rejected. So that's where you can start to see this wick start to sell off a little bit here. Sellers stepped in, bears stepped in, pushed this down. We still cannot crack this 50-day moving average. You see here, when we did crack it on July 22nd, we immediately got rejected at the 20-day moving average, sold all the way off, below all of the, current moving averages, the 5, the 10, the 20, the 50. So, big week here for Fubo. We do have earnings on August 10th, still a little bit of ways away. So one of the things that we're looking for here is two prices, okay? As long as it's trading in between these two prices, I would leave it alone. What we're looking to do is confirm Friday's price action. We need to get over 27.18. Let's call it 27.25. We need to get over that. That's going to be reclaiming the 50-day moving average here. We have to close above that. So I'm not talking about intraday. We come up here, we crack 27.50, 27.20, and then we close down here at 26. That's not what I'm talking about. We need to close over 27.25, okay? The level to the downside, we've been holding this 100-day moving average here. You can see we came down here. Bulls stepped in, drove the price back up. That price is $25.51. If we close below $25, okay, on Fubo, it's going to have more selling pressure down. When I mean more selling pressure down, we're going to probably revert back to this channel here at 24 and this channel here at 24.47. If we lose July 19th channel here, this lower range, okay, we tested it here on the 15th, we tested it here on the 19th. If we lose these two areas here, we're going to slide down into this support area here on the lower Bollinger Band, potentially 23, $23.40, $24 in that range. If Fubo continues to trade in between 27.20 and in between 25.40, 25.30, leave it alone because it's not really doing anything. Okay, we have to get above supply or we need to break down below support. If we break down below support, I think good area of opportunity to buy the dip. I think that if we can crack that 50-day moving average, good opportunity to swing this long, potentially for a breakout. Obviously, any close over the 20-day moving average at 27.80 is going to be very bullish, potentially taking us back up to 28.60. The other stock that I was asked to take a look at is CVS. So CVS had a good little gap up here on Friday. We do have earnings on the 4th. What I'm looking for here on CVS, okay, if I can draw a trend line here, I'm looking for the breakout above 83.68. Okay, that was the highs on Friday. If we can break through 83.68, we potentially have room to 84.37. So almost about a point, just shy of a point. That's also going to correlate with the 50-day moving average. This red line here that I'm trying to highlight, that's going to correlate with the 50-day moving average. If we come up to 84.40s and we get rejected, we could trade around sideways a little bit here. As far as support on CVS, support is pretty strong here in between 82 and 81.99. Any loss of $82 here on a close, you could expect to come down here to 80. However, it does look strong. It does look like it has a lot of support heading into earnings. We did get this gap up. What I'm looking to play here is a breakout, 83.68, potentially ride this into the 84s. Obviously, any close above this 84.50, we could see 85s. That's what I got for you guys. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think about these two stocks. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, the Discord link is in the description, as well as my website, kind of showing you guys how I trade all of these channels. I have a great little product there for you guys. Also do have a daily watch list and signal caller intraday that is also down in the watch list below or in the description below. And I will see you guys all on the next video.